How to remove objects from your video in CapCut. Here's a fast and easy way. First, select your video and find the object you want to remove. Tap the three lines and select Export Still Frames. Next, open your browser and search Photoroll. Click Remove Unwanted Objects. Then, upload the still image you just saved. Use the brush tool to erase the object. Then, download the edited image. Back in CapCut, import the image and overlay it onto your video. Now, tap Mask and adjust it to cover the object. And just like that, your video looks clean and seamless. If this was helpful, hit like and subscribe for more awesome video editing tricks.